Hello, this is my first presentation. This is obviously my American flyer. Um, Color is an important communication element. According to Robin Landa, color affects viewers and can be used strategically to help guide and shape their perception. A color's meaning is tied to specific experiential contexts and cultures and countries. Some designers create unique color palettes and understand the potential of color to communicate on a symbolic, brand personality, or visceral level. Although we design for print and screen, a good place to learn about color is the pigment wheel as a point of departure. So clearly my colors here are red, white, and blue. For obvious reasons. I made this into a welcome home party for a man named Dave who just got home from deployment. So with the deployment and the red is for patriotism. The flag, I'll go with the American theme here. Blue is the color of freshness, calmness, and coolness. White is a color of truth, peace, and innocence. And here the curved lines on the American flag tend to give off a playful and graceful quality. Curved lines seem more flexible and graceful to viewers. So for me, when family members are deployed, it's tense time. So with those curved lines giving off that playful quality, it's a time to celebrate, let loose, and have fun. There are three types of methods of analysis: objective, subjective, and comparative. Objective refers to the study of regarding how colors attract the eyes. Subjective refers to the connection viewers have between colors and past experiences, memories, and feelings. Comparative refers to instinct in comparing colors to things we know. So like this, we obviously know the American flag is red, white, and blue. We know people who are deployed are fighting for our country. Lady Liberty is a staple in America. So this is a poster I chose for India. I picked it because yellow is very popular in India. It represents Vishnu. Single women wear yellow to attract men and keep evil spirits away. There's also the red and the green together, which is a popular combination for traditional clothing. Green is also sacred in Muslim and Parsi religions, and for Hindu, it's a festive color. It represents life, happiness, and happiness. Elephants are a symbol of intellectual strength. So I'm hoping by using the colors on both of these that it hits home for each country individually, and I picked the positive colors that represent each country.